Hey everyone, welcome back to MUT Studios. Today, I'm excited to share some updates on Spider Control. In this devlog, I will show you the progress we have made so far, including new features and some of the challenges we have faced while making this game. First, let's take a look at the new level design we have been working on. Well, the first level of this game. We have also added some exciting mechanics in this game that I'm gonna show while playing some brief gameplay of this game while learning it. So let's just look around right now of some of the features. Here's a sneak peek at some of the characters' animations and interactions as well. So this is the first character you will open the game and see, excluding the spider, of course, which is your player. So this character, for now, in this level or floor, we call it floor in Spider Control, does well nothing. He's a big brother here. I don't really have a name for him, but he sits on the computer and watches the security camera that's up here that actually has some mechanics to detect if if it sees a spider around of it. So if I open the camera right now, there's a small script that detects if the spider is there, and if the spider moves twice while in the position of the camera, it gets detected and game over. So we have the game manager here being called. Right here we have a game manager and a lot of scripts. A lot to talk about, basically. So these are objects it checks to like save. So let's just first talk about how you play this game. So first of all, you spawn down here in the small section. If you can see the dot over there, that's your player right here. The small spider. So you spawn in. It gives you a brief like about how you play this game, and you basically go and try to eat some of the food over here. Each time you eat two of the food in this house, you summon a small spider companion. And your goal in this game, or in this floor, to be precise, is to eat all the food in this floor. Once you eat all the food, you have enough food to go to the second floor, and that's how it works. So, real quick, I'm gonna show some gameplay right now to show you guys how it easily works out. So, let's start. I just figured out that I was actually on the Arabic mode. As I said before, this game has languages. So, woohoo! Something I don't really add that much is languages. So it's playable on multiple languages, three or like four if you think dialects are different languages. So let's just go to the main menu right now. Change the language real quick. So supposedly save. Yeah. So real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So this is the main menu right here. I'm just gonna mute it real quick. Yeah. So this is the main menu. There's background music as you guys checked before. So here I can change it to Egyptian Arabic, Spanish, or just English. So let's just change the English right quick. We have performance, balance, and high fidelity as well. In quality settings, you have the music settings, you have the settings. These kinda are buggy right now, so I'll fix them in the future. Because the music gets super loud for some reason, the sound just so quiet. So right now, if you go to play, the game is back in English, and as you've seen like the past 2 minutes, the players actually talk if they see the spider. Once the like the small kids see the spider, it's game over, and you have to restart the floor again. So right now, as you can see, I'm just eating out the food here. In the future, I really want to add an animation for eating the food because disappearing food just does not make sense. So here, as you see, the small summoning spiders, and you can jump too. Not jump like fly, I guess, like a spider. Not really logical, but this is a game about spiders, so I see the problem. Anyways, so here I ate like I just have this last waffle to eat in this table. And now that I have ate all the waffles in this table, I have 3 minions. I can go around. As you can see, these guys have small animations. So right now the small kid moves around this house. But right now the small kid is just watching the TV, which is not on. So another thing I need to fix. Basically, the small kid over there runs around from the living room to watch TV to the kitchen to try to find some food. And this kid basically, if he sees you, it's just game over, like automatically. The camera also, if it sees you, you will have to not move. And if it like, I would guys show you like how the camera works right now. Another cool mechanic I wanted to add in this game. So, yeah, so this is a small cutscene here. I don't really want to show what it says. Another bug right here that the camera still runs while the cutscene is playing. And the over here the weird door that just moved by itself also is another bug. So what's happening right now that's the cutscene is playing while the game is still running, which is another bug that I'm working out to fix. So this is how the camera works right now. It says you don't move, and if you don't move, the camera does not detect you. And if the camera detects you, it's just game over. So here's a small food up here. You need to be careful because this boy can also detect you. If he sees you, of course, in front of the computer. So yeah, dude, this is the gameplay for now. This is floor one. So right now, for my plans for floor one, I feel like it's extremely ready to be published, and I plan to make like 10 to 5 or like 7 floors in this game. I haven't decided yet till I finish the second floor, but yeah, that what the first floor of this game looks like, which is amazing. I'm actually extremely proud of myself for making this floor and not making it look like it's super destroyed or something. So yeah, so that's what the first floor is looking like right now. Game development isn't without its challenges, of course. Recently, we faced an issue with the movement of the characters. Well, this character in precise, because the other character doesn't move that much. So this character, I wanted to make him move using NavMesh, the AI agent. If you guys don't know what NavMesh is, so NavMesh is like a surface agent or AI that renders a ground to make movable objects move easily. So it's just an AI for like not players to move around. And the problem is I couldn't make it work. One of the problems was because this whole scene is bigger 100 times than regular would be a massive cause. And also, I really forgot how to deal with NavMesh that much. So, rather than trying to fix NavMesh, I just made him move using positionings right there. So I'm gonna open the script for the kid right now to show you guys how I made it work basically. So here's the script for this kid. I call the kid controller. And I have a warning up here that to remind myself that this script is not done basically. I plan to change the script for floor number 2 and try to make NavMesh work again because dealing with this without NavMesh is annoying. So here's what the kid states look like a lot of states of what he's supposed to do. And I don't want to really go to the details of how this works because that's gonna turn this video into a tutorial video, and this is more like a devlog video than a tutorial video. So this is what it looks like right here. So we can we're updating the movement, updating some animations for the fridge, I guess. Really, I haven't opened the script for a while, so I don't really remember what where was what I'm trying to talk about. And a lot of debug logs because some of the stuff usually doesn't work for some reason. Then the cutscene active part here that like turns off the boy and makes the cutscene run. Here's a detection of where the spider is, but I don't think it's working anymore. I really need to remove this part. So that's what it looks like right here. So another cutscene. I'm trying to change state part. I'm trying to find the part that we're. Yeah, here it is. So this is the part where it moves to the target position, and it rotates to the target position as well. So this is how I made it work. I just put a lot of objects around the scene to where the boy's supposed to follow them. So imagine here there's a box here. He goes to the invisible box over here, goes to the invisible box over here, goes to this invisible box over here till he reaches this area. And I know it's a very tedious process and very repetitive and very annoying. So that's why I want to change it to nav mesh in the second floor, but I'm not. I'm not destroying something that's working here. If it's not, if it's not a problem, just don't try to fix it. Very good rule for any developer to follow, to be honest. So yeah, that what the first floor looks like for now. A lot of characters and a lot of publishing, a lot of stuff that's working on. We have also a cat here that you fight, and after like finishing all the food to go to the second floor, which is behind the door. Of course, it's behind the door right now. It's nothing. But the second floor, you go to the second floor after defeating the cat over here with your small spider army, I guess. Well, not I guess, like yeah, with your small spider army. So yeah, that's what it looks like for now, which is amazing. So those are the challenges we faced. Is that how he solves them? So another challenge we faced was the spider flying. I tried to make the spider like walk on walls. Then I figured out that that's gonna like take so much RAM and too much stuff to do for him to walk on walls. And then when I had to make another floor, I would have to make those walls also work. So I basically gave up on the idea. I just made him fly. So that works too, I guess. So yeah, uh, that's how I made that problem work. I just figured out that's too much. I'll just try to tell you guys all of the stuff so we can make another devlog about me continuing how to make this game. So this is what the game looks like for now. And I hope to show you guys in the future how else we're gonna finish this game. So let's look ahead for our planning. So looking ahead, we're planning to add another floor, of course, and I'm gonna show you my real cool, of course, very cool um, uh, blueprint of the second floor. I have started to make the hallway for the second floor, but I still have not finished the second floor at all. So real quick, I'm gonna open a screenshot that I had. Um, so yeah, here's my amazing blueprint of the second floor. So here is the hallway. We got to add to the second floor. This is where this is where the entrance of the second floor will be. So after entering this door and after fighting the amazing spider, I mean the amazing cat. After fighting the cat, you enter this door, and from this door you go to the second floor, which the image floor. Yeah. So this is where you enter. You go from the entrance over here, and this is the hallway. All this big part. So here is the first room inside the hallway, the study office where the kid we know and loves sits on the desk here will be up there as well. And he will be the one who's moving around most of the time, rather than the small kid. The small kid will be sleeping, hopefully, or doing something else. I haven't planned yet of what will the other kid do. But yeah, the other kid will be hopefully in his bed over here. So this is what it looks like for the small bedroom, and there's a small bathroom here, and an exit. So after finishing the level, you'll be exiting that exit and going to the third floor, and so on. So yeah, that's my plan for the second floor. Hopefully in the future, I'm gonna make devlogs on how I'm gonna make this floor possible in the future. So looking ahead, stay tuned for more updates as we continue to develop Spider Control. Thanks for watching this amazing devlog. If you enjoyed this devlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Join our Discord, of course, community to stay connected and share your thoughts. The Discord link is in the description if you want to join the Discord, and see you next time.